Shooting in a small dark room with only one window. In today's video, I will show you how to shoot in a small dark room with only one window. The light from small windows will end up a hard light. When shooting a women's subject, it looks prettier to use a soft light, so we'll stand our subject so that the light from the window is backlight. First, let's shoot as is. Because it's backlit, when you take a photo, the face will become dark and will end up being underexposed. Let's try it this time using a reflector board. It's better to use a large reflector board, so I'm using a double-folded 180 cm by 180 cm board. Think about where the light is coming from and set the reflector board so that it will bounce off the board and light up your subject beautifully. Also, let's set the exposure to plus and take a photo. Since we've used a large reflector board, the light that bounces off becomes soft and the image seems fluffy. The slight halation is also effective. The backlighting from the window creates a beautiful light on the hair, making the subject appear to float while expressing a sense of depth. In addition, by setting the color temperature low, the blue tones create a very cool and clean image. When using backlighting, the size and placement of the reflection board is key. It is important to use as large a reflector as possible and to circulate the light well. Please give it a try.